Festo in Bulgaria is a company for development and manufacturing of products in the field of electronics and electric drives, as well as control modules and devices for the medical industry. We assume responsibility for the environment, social issues, and governance, ESG, when it comes to current and future generations. As part of a family-owned company, Festo in Bulgaria thinks and acts responsibly, focusing on the future.
Добре дошли в Festo България. Вече над 30 години създаваме продукти с марката Festo. Компанията в България интегрира всички необходими функции за създаване на иновация от край до край. Развой, индустриален инженеринг и производство.
We have been developing our lean system since 2009. Our continuous efforts to optimize the production processes were highly appreciated in 2019 with our first Lean and Green Management Award in the category General Manufacturing. During those years, we have trained the organization how to collect and work with data, how to solve problems systematically with the idea of developing strong ownership and continuous improvement culture. The next logical step of the continuous improvement of our processes was the implementation of administrational excellence, AUDEX, tools and methods oriented to sustainably eliminate waste in administrative or indirect processes. Our holistic approach is with focus on climate protection and people, because sustainability has always been the work of many hands at Festo. We place particular emphasis on climate protection and reducing our carbon footprint. This is why we are continuously optimizing our energy efficiency and waste recycling. In everything we do, we always have the drive to find the best and most efficient solution. Climate protection and the economical use of energy, resources, and materials are therefore important tasks of our time.
През последната една година Festo България премина през сериозна трансформация. Създадохме една от най-модерните бази за развой и производство на електронни продукти с марката Festo. Чрез непрекъснатото подобрение на процесите и постигане на целите за устойчивост, ние не само повишаваме нашата ефективност, но и допринасяме значително за повишаване конкурентоспособността и постигането на целите на концерна Festo.